Welcome to the second video of UIPath Agent Builder updates. In this video, we'll see what are built-in tools, how to use them with a practical example. So firstly, what are built-in tools? In Studio Web, agents now come with built-in tools you can start using instantly. No extra setup, no installations, nothing complicated. Right now, the first built-in tool available is Analyze Attachments, and it's surprisingly powerful. You can use it for things like comparing two signatures to check if they match, which we'll see in practical. Detecting objects inside images, for example, checking if a delivery package is actually placed on a doorstep or not. Reviewing product labels to spot differences or mistakes, and many other small but very useful checks that normally take manual effort. So the idea is simple: just attach the files, and then the tool handles the heavy lifting for you. Now, how to use built-in tools? Let's take a practical example: signature comparison agent. We will create an agent that compares two signatures using Analyze Attachments tool. This agent takes two signatures images as in process them and then gives you a similarity score, whether the signatures match or not, a detailed comparison report, any errors if something went wrong. Everything happens automatically once the agent runs. To help you set this up, you will have the system and user prompts. I'll show you the input and output arguments and few sample signature files. So we just have to plug these into your agent, connect the Analyze Attachments tool, and you are good to go. Let's start building our signature comparison agent. Let's go back to UiPath Orchestrator. So I'm in UiPath agent section. You may not see the same version that I'm using because this is staging environment. So all we need to do is like build your agent now. And these are the input and output arguments, user prompt and system prompt, and then few examples. So we'll quickly have a look. So this is signature one, and this is signature two. So these are, I mean, there is no similarities in between these two. Let's see how our agent reacts to these two images. Go back to Studio Web. We will name it document or image comparison agent. Yeah. So all we need to do is like open input arguments, copy these input arguments. I mean, you can generate, you can ask Autopilot to generate one, but we are doing it from the scratch. So for these input arguments and output arguments, you can ask ChatGPT or any LLM to give this is my agent I want to build, and then I need input and output arguments in this format, something like that, and then it will give you. So that generated one, you can just copy to here, and then if you have seen my previous video already, so if you find this kind of error, just copy one tab space, and then click on Ctrl F, and then paste it. Click on this button, and then replace with nothing. Just replaced, and all the errors are gone. Close this, and then now you have. So it will take. It has to take two files, right, to compare. So that's the input arguments part, and then the output arguments part. Do the same thing. I mean, if you want these predefined documents, just ping in the comments. I'll share the GitHub link. Copy, Ctrl F, paste, and then replace all. That's it. So now we created signature one and signature two, and these has to be the file types. I mean, you can directly add add like this also. Like you can just click on that and then choose diff type file, and then if it is definitely required, then keep it as required so that it'll mark it as star. So if you don't give that input, it will not continue. So that's the manual way, and the other way is to directly copy the JSON format. So for the output, I want print the similarity score if it is a matching one or not. Comparison report, like if it is not matching or matching, like why is it matching? Detailed report, right? These are my outputs. So now let's write. So we have the new view called flow. As I, if you have not seen my previous video, you can go through the previous video where I explained how this flow works. So if you know already, just have to paste the system and user prompts, right? So, so my system prompt. So what am I saying here? So you're an agent specialized in comparing image signatures. So to give an image signatures, calculate similarity score, determine if the signatures are the same or not, and provide the comparison report. User prompt. Here again the same thing. So I'm going to give signature 1 and signature 2, and I want these outputs, right? So these are green now because we created the arguments first. If you not created the arguments first, you would have seen this as red. Okay, so now we created the user and system prompts, and then we selected the model as GPT-4. Now the built-in tools part. So we just have to click on the tools plus icon for tools, and then you see new tool, right? So just scroll down, and then you will see the last option as ready to use tools with built-in functionality. Just click on it, and then now you can see the first tool, which is called analyze files. You may see more in the future. Just select it, and that's it. So now just debug the process. Sorry, agent. Signature 1 and signature 2. Save and debug. Let's see the execution trail. The execution started. Here you can see step by step like what agent is going to do. So it made the LLM call. We have guardrails check in between just in case that LLM will not use our data to train. We have output for guardrails check, and then now we have the agent output at the end. So I can see the similarity score is 0, and then it's not matching. So why is it not matching? You can see the detailed report here. So in that way, you can use built-in tools. So in future, you may see a lot of built-in tools. As of now, we have analyze files. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining us. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting UiPath content.